Hello YouTube, this is Immortal Man UK, and I apologise for the lighting. I'm doing this video at a time when the sun's kind of shining through the window and everything's a bit dark, so you can't see me very well. But anyway, so I just want to refer you to a interesting news article today that I found on BBC News. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and it's saying that possibly the sun has gone to sleep. It's an event that hasn't happened for over 100 years, and it's a cycle, so it's a natural cycle. But the consequences in history when this has happened with the sun is that we've had severe winters for decades. Like perhaps mini ice age. And this is very specific to the Europe region. It affects the jet stream, so the warmer air isn't pushed up towards Europe. So, if what scientists are suspecting is correct, then we could be in for some severe winters. So very interesting. Have a look and see what you think. And also, it doesn't hurt to be prepared. If winter starts to get really bad, then quite possibly things are going to take a turn for the worse. So be mindful and prepare. And that brings me to another thing I wanted to discuss in this video. A few days ago, I put a video up on the subject of investing, and I asked the question, what are good investment ideas? And I was hoping to get a lot of comments on that video. Turned out I didn't. I just wanted to hear people's ideas as to what would be good sensible investments in this day and age. And I said that I would release a video after a few days to say what I personally think. Well, personally, I think that food is a good investment. Long-lasting, long-life food, like canned and dried foods, is a good investment because obviously it's usable, and no matter what happens on this earth, globally or locally, or even in your personal life, if you hit hard times personally, if you've invested in food, then you can use that, you can utilize that, and you can survive through a bad time. But there's other things too, but I'd say that that's quite a good one. When most people, when they think of investments, they're talking about investing money in particular resources or particular stocks and shares, and like economic stability is dodgy, and it only takes, things can change very quickly in a very short space of time, and within an hour, overnight, things can happen in this world that can completely change the whole world and your whole life. And I personally don't feel completely safe with money and its value. That's just my thoughts on it. So anyway, have a look at this article that I'm going to link you to, and it's very interesting. And if it's true, then we're of a generation that will experience this unique thing. Cheerio.